Yura! May nagpakalat na naman ng fake news. May reliable source pa siya. Sabi niya, from a reliable source, the event of Bel Mariano with Dunkin Donuts may be canceled because of low ticket sales. 1.5 ang capacity ng venue pero 100 tickets pa lang ang nabibenta compared to SB19's Dunkin event na 2 days sold out na agad. Yung kay Bel, hirap daw talaga na makabenta ng tickets. Wrong move from Dunkin page to remove Donnie as their endorsers kasi Donnie reached a higher level of popularity lately. Kaya for sure, kung magkakaroon ng event, sold out kaagad. Let's be honest then. Bel is a mediocre performer, kaya sino ba naman ang magtitiis sa performance niya, di ba? Malapit na ang Be My Bel event ni Bel for Dunkin PH pero nangangamoy fluff or canceled na talaga. Ay, grabe naman siya, oh. Lagi niya ng target itong si Bel. Ano sa palagay niyo, Dumbbell fans dito? Papayag ba tayo na apak-apakan na lang nila si Bel? Bumili na po kayo ng tickets.